back to my channel. I'm back with another video on how to make lemonade. Quick and easy to make right at home. Definitely fresh as it gets. So what you're going to need is 1 gallon of purified water, 2 cups of sugar. If you like it even sweeter, that's at your discretion. And then you are going to need 8 lemons, freshly squeezed, and then 1 additional lemon just to set for presentation on the very top. So that's it. What I'm going to do first is cut up my lemons and squeeze the juice out of them. I do have the strainer set right on top so that the seeds don't go along with that. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is freshly squeezed lemon juice and it's about 1 2/3 cup. Doesn't get better than this. Personally, I prefer this all day long over processed lemonade drinks. So I'm just going to pour that into my gallon here, and I'll be adding in 2 cups of sugar. And again, this is to your liking. I personally don't like it as sweet, but then again, with the ice, it's going to dilute. All right, so I'm going in with 2 cups of sugar. This is granulated sugar. Any store brand sugar will work for this. I'm just going to top with of ice. And then once I do that, I'll go ahead and add in my freshly sliced lemons. Okay, before adding in the ice, I'm just going to give this a good stir to get all of the sugar incorporated there. Now, if you are interested in how to make, different types of aguas frescas, I do have another video posted within my channel here. So I'll be sure to work on adding the horchata recipe, as I do make all of the agua frescas across the board. Okay, adding just a little more, and then just going to top it off with more slices here on the top. Now, if this is going to be for a party or get together where it's not going to be sitting in the refrigerator, go ahead and add even more ice than I did. But less quantity of a gallon, or maybe three gallons if you're going to be using a 5-gallon jug, and then leave a lot of room just for ice. And there you have it, refreshing cup of ice cold lemonade. So I do hope that you did enjoy this video. Also be sure to subscribe to this growing family and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.